Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Canidae Wet Dog Food is probably one of the most sought-after options for pet parents looking to provide their furry companions with a nutritious and delicious meal, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular brand stand out in a crowded market, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and whether it truly lives up to the hype as a top-tier choice for your beloved canine. Number 5. Canidae Pure Farm-to-Bowl Wild-Caught Salmon and Sweet Potato Recipe. Introducing a new way to nourish your dog with ingredients sourced directly from the farm. This food is cooked in small batches, ensuring nutrient-dense, balanced nutrition. Crafted with wholesome ingredients, this formula supports your dog's immune system and digestion. It's a satisfying meal designed for their well-being. High-quality wild-caught salmon is the star, providing essential omega-3 fatty acids. This helps promote a healthy and shiny coat for your beloved pet. Made with antioxidants and probiotics, this recipe features 10 or fewer key ingredients. It's free from corn, grain, wheat, soy, and artificial additives. We use responsibly sourced proteins and nutrient-dense ingredients from trusted farmers. This regeneratively farmed recipe is expertly formulated by pet nutrition specialists. What we like. This option is crafted with responsibly sourced, regeneratively farmed ingredients, ensuring nutrient-dense goodness. If you have a dog with sensitivities or are looking for a limited ingredient diet, this is a fantastic choice. Its protein-rich blend with wild-caught salmon also supports a healthy coat and skin. What people say. My dog has been eating Canidae for years and has never had any issues. It's a great food that keeps her healthy and happy. I switched to Canidae a few months ago and my dog loves it. She has more energy and her coat is shinier than ever. This is the best dog food I have ever used. My dog is a picky eater and she devours this food every time. Number 4. Cesar Simply Crafted Dog Food Toppers Chicken Variety. Introducing Cesar Simply Crafted Dog Food Toppers. Made with real chicken as the #1 ingredient and fresh vegetables, it's a delicious and protein-packed recipe for a happy and healthy dog. These tasty toppers can be mixed with your dog's dry food or enjoyed on their own as a delightful snack. They are designed to make mealtime more flavorful and exciting. Our convenient single-serve tubs feature an easy-peel seal, making meal preparation flavorful and mess-free. It's a simpler alternative to traditional canned dog food. Crafted with 5 key ingredients or less, these toppers provide a premium meal addition that is easy to digest. Your dog will find them irresistible. Each topper is slow-cooked to lock in freshness and a great taste that dogs adore. It's a delicious way to add variety and nutrition to their diet. Give your dog the best with real ingredients and a taste they'll love. It's the perfect way to complement their daily meals. What we like. This product features real chicken as the #1 ingredient and is made with 5 key ingredients or less, making it highly digestible. If you're looking for a convenient and mess-free way to add flavor and nutrition to your dog's dry food, or a tasty standalone snack, these single-serve tubs are perfect. What people say. The dog loves the taste and texture. It has a good balance of protein and fat for active dogs. The ingredients are high quality and grain-free. Number 3. Canidae Pure Petite Small Breed Beef and Carrots Wet Dog Food. Discover Canidae Pure Petite, a delicious meal specifically designed for your small breed dog. It's a taste they'll truly love. Crafted with real beef and wholesome ingredients like peas and carrots, this food offers a taste your dog will adore. It's made with ingredients you can recognize. This recipe is formulated with limited, easily recognizable ingredients, making it ideal for dogs with sensitive stomachs. It provides complete and balanced nutrition for smaller dogs. It's packed with antioxidants and probiotics to aid digestion and boost their immune system. A blend of vitamins and minerals also supports healthy joints, skin, and coat. Canidae is committed to creating goodness for pets and the planet. Our premium proteins and regeneratively farmed ingredients nourish your pet and contribute to a healthier world. Every bowl is a testament to our dedication. Experience the difference that quality ingredients and a commitment to sustainability can make for your beloved companion. What we like. Specifically formulated for small breeds, this wet food offers balanced nutrition with a minced texture and real beef and carrots. If you have a small dog with a sensitive stomach or are looking for a grain-free, limited ingredient option tailored to their specific needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. My dog loves this food and it has helped with his itchy skin. This food has a great texture and my dog eats it up. I like that this food is grain-free and has good ingredients. Number 2. Canidae All Life Stages Multi-Protein Wet Dog Food. Introducing a complete and balanced wet dog food designed for puppies, adults, and seniors. It's a nutritious meal that caters to all ages, breeds, and sizes. Crafted with a delicious blend of chicken, lamb, and fish, this food is simmered in broth for exceptional taste. It provides a rich source of premium proteins. We've formulated this food without corn, wheat, or soy, making it a wholesome choice for your furry friend. It's a simple yet nutritious option for your pet. Packed with antioxidants and probiotics, it actively supports a healthy digestive and immune system. This blend ensures your pet stays happy and healthy from the inside out. A nutritious mix of vitamins and minerals is included to promote healthy joints, skin, and a shiny coat. It's designed to make your pet look and feel their best. We are committed to creating a world of goodness for pets and the planet. Our food uses regeneratively farmed ingredients, nourishing your pet and the environment with every meal. What we like. This wet food is designed for all life stages, from puppies to seniors, and features a multi-protein blend of chicken, lamb, and fish simmered in broth. If you have a multi-dog household with varying ages and needs, or are looking for a nutritionally dense option that's free from corn, wheat, and soy, this makes mealtime a breeze. What people say. My dog has been eating Canidae for 7 years and has never had any health problems. This is the only food that has ever worked for my dog. He has a very sensitive stomach and this food has made all the difference. My dog absolutely loves this food. He is a very picky eater and he gobbles this up. Number 1. Canidae Pure Goodness Grain-Free Wet Dog Food. Fuel your dog's adventures with real protein as the first ingredient. It's the perfect foundation for strong muscles and daily nourishment. We believe in simplicity. Our limited ingredient, grain-free recipe is crafted with wholesome ingredients to support dogs with sensitivities and provide balanced nutrition. Promote a healthy gut with nutrient-dense, easily digestible ingredients. It's formulated to support balanced nutrition, free from corn, wheat, and soy. Offer a delicious meal or a tasty topper for their kibble. It supports their overall well-being with convenient feeding in every can. Crafted with responsibly sourced proteins and nutrient-dense ingredients from trusted farmers. It's regeneratively farmed and formulated by pet experts for a bowl full of goodness. What we like. This grain-free wet food offers a rich protein blend of lamb, turkey, and chicken, crafted with simple, real ingredients for balanced nutrition. If you're looking for a versatile option that can be used as a complete meal or a kibble topper, especially for dogs with sensitivities, this recipe supports whole body health. What people say. The ingredients are good and my dog loves it. This food has helped my dog with his skin issues. My dog has been eating this food for years and is very healthy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.